So here we are again, your take-home cuisinaire, your service po na naman, no? Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng ating easy giniling. Just one, just like that, okay? Let's start with slice and dice our carrot and our potatoes, okay? Just like that, and now just red pepper. Just like that, just like that. But put the fire on the whole, add oil, add garlic, and add onions. Let it caramelize just like before. Add 1/8 cup of fish sauce, 1/8 cup of vinegar, 1/8 cup of soy sauce, and put the grinded meat ngayon, okay? The giniling ng meat, this pork. Add pepper, sugar. Hala, MSG uli. Don't need to add water. Let the natural juices of the meat comes out. Then add your potatoes and your carrots, just like that, and add the green peas on it. Mix well. And then it's time to add your water. Estimate it. Your desired water, okay? Then add your tomato sauce. Easy. Let it boil and put it to medium. Then let the ingredient fuse, and it's done. It's